Ever pondered over the labyrinth that is online sales and marketing? Ever wondered how some e-commerce businesses seem to effortlessly attract traffic and drive sales, while others struggle to make their mark? The answer, my friends, is in the art and science of effective e-commerce marketing strategies. Take, for instance, the story of Brand A. A humble startup, Brand A was initially lost in the vast ocean of e-commerce. They were offering quality products, but their sales were dismal. Then they decided to invest in search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing their website with relevant keywords and high-quality content, they ensured that their brand showed up in the top search results. This simple yet effective strategy skyrocketed their visibility and consequently their sales. Or consider the case of Brand B. They realized the power of social media marketing and harnessed it to create a robust online presence. They engaged their audience with interactive content, responded to queries, and built a community around their brand. This helped them cultivate customer loyalty, which translated into repeat sales and increased brand awareness. And then we have Brand C, who unlocked the potential of email campaigns. They didn't just send out generic promotional emails. Instead, they personalized their communication based on their customers' preferences and buying behavior. This strategy not only increased their click-through rates, but also significantly boosted their conversion rates. These cases illustrate how different marketing strategies can effectively drive traffic and increase sales in the e-commerce world. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. It's about understanding your business, knowing your audience, and using the right mix of strategies. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Firstly, SEO is no longer optional. It's a necessity for any e-commerce business that wants to improve its visibility and attract organic traffic. Secondly, social media marketing is not just about promoting your products. It's about engaging your audience, building relationships, and fostering brand loyalty. And lastly, email campaigns are not just about sending out promotions. They're about personalization and understanding your customers' needs and preferences. So there you have it, a peek into the world of online sales and marketing, and how you can navigate it effectively. Remember, the key to success in e-commerce lies in understanding and implementing effective marketing strategies. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about selling a product, it's about creating an experience.